Hello friends and welcome back to the Modern Money channel. As you know, I regularly post about the hot stocks that I believe can generate money for us. And one thing that I do differently compared to other YouTubers is that I keep track of all the trades that I discuss in my channel. So far in my channel, I've generated more than $22,000 by risking $1,000 per trade. So without further ado, let's go and see some of our trades. So here you can see that here are the list of the trades that I discussed in my channel since about 6 weeks ago when I started this channel. And as you can see here, I'm showing every trade, whether it is losing or it's a winner. We've talked about more than 50 trades. Our win rate is about 50%. This thing will go to about 60%. And because we have a favorable reward to risk ratio of about 1.9, we managed to generate money, although win rate is about 50%. So everything in the stock market or in the financial market is about how to manage your risk and how to keep the odds on your favor. Right now the market is not good. You can see that we had a couple of losing trades in a row. And because of that, our win rate is limited at the moment, but we will go back up soon. Today, we did not have any trade that hit our target or stop loss, so our stats are the same as yesterday. Okay, now without further ado, let's go and check the trades that I believe have potential to move higher for next week. So keep these stocks on your watch list for next week. The first stock is Hyatt Hotels. The second stock is SOS. The third stock is NIO. Fourth is RDFN. The next one is Tesla. And the last one is OCGN. Okay, so let's start with Hyatt Hotels. One thing that I can see from Hyatt Hotels is this bull flag pattern. We're in a 4-hour time frame here, you can see, and we're forming this bull flag pattern, which is bullish. So today on a market dip at the early morning, I went long because the price was kind of near this lower trend line, and if you are following my channel, you know that I love to trade inside the patterns, and the reason for that is I want to get a better reward to risk ratio. So I entered early in the morning, and in this trade I went long at $85.09, and I put my stop loss below this push at $75.11, and I'm targeting actually new highs. So I'm looking to cash out at $102.75, which will give me a reward to risk ratio of 1.77. I love the pattern. The pattern looks clear. We just broke out this resistance area, and we're now forming a bull flag. It seems like we're not going to retest even this structure again because of this bull flag. The pattern looks clean, so keep Hyatt Hotels with a thicker symbol H on your watch list for next week and look for potential long trades. The next stock is SOS. Again, we're in a 4-hour time frame. We had a significant push from about $1.50 to $2. We moved significantly in the past couple of weeks to about $16. Then the price now is cooled off, and now we're forming this pennant, which seems to be bullish. So because the price cooled off to where it was before, and now we're forming this bullish pennant, I expect this stock, SOS, to retest at least this area, about $12 mark. I'm not bearish on this stock because if it would have gone further down, we should have gone sooner. So at the moment, I'm bullish. And because I can see this pennant, I'm going to go long for the retest of this previous congested area in this spot. So you can see that there is a resistance at around 1250 mark, and I'm going to cash out before that at $12. So right now I entered at the end of the market at $7.66. I put my stop loss below the swing low at $5.78, and I'm going to cash out at $12, which will give me a reward to risk ratio of 2.3. So keep SOS on your watch list for a potential long trade. The next stock is NIO. So NIO is in the electrical business. So here you can see that the price was trading inside this channel, this purple channel. We broke that through a bullish flag, which formed actually beautifully. The pattern is click. I love the pattern. It's super bullish. So I went long today near this trend, this blue trend line. Let's go to the hourly time frame. So today, when we touched this blue trend line, I was like, okay, this one, I don't consider that as a touch. This one was the first touch, second touch, and the third touch is usually the best one that you can get. And I went long at $41.35. Let's go back to the 4-hour time frame. I put my stop loss below this swing low here. And you can also put your stop loss below this one. But I personally want to be a little bit safer, so I put my stop loss below this swing low at $31.69. And I'm targeting this resistance area at $56.70. So this trade will give me a reward to risk ratio of about 1.6, which is fantastic. I love the setup, so keep NIO on your watch list for potential long. I'm very bullish on NIO at the moment. The next stock is RDFN. So for RDFN, we can see a similar pattern. So the price was falling down in a falling wedge pattern, which is a bullish pattern. Now the price breakout from this blue channel, and we're forming this bull flag pattern here, the purple pattern. And today at the early in the market, I went long at $69.26 near this purple trend line. As you know, I like to trade inside the patterns. And I put my stop loss below this swing low at $57.83, and I'm targeting this kind of resistance area, kind of a retest of the previous highs. I'm going to cash out at $90.80, which will give me a reward to risk ratio of 1.8. The pattern again is clear, so we were in a bull run, then the price corrected itself through a falling wedge pattern. This is a bullish pattern. The blue pattern is a bullish pattern. We broke that. Now we're forming a bull flag. Again, another bullish pattern. So the probability is on our side to go long. So keep RDFN on your watch list for a potential buy opportunity. The next stock is Tesla. So everyone loves Tesla. So again, we're on a 4-hour time frame. I talked about this stock yesterday, that Tesla broke this green trend line, and it is now forming a bull flag pattern. This purple pattern, which is a bullish pattern. This breakout is a bullish pattern. This bull flag is a bullish pattern. So the odds are in our favor to go long for Tesla. I personally put my stop loss below the swing low at $531.87. And I'm looking to cash out near the top at $872 mark, which will give me a reward to risk ratio of 1.74. Again, look for buy opportunity for Tesla. It's a great company. It's beautiful setup. It's clean. I love it. And the last stock that you should all keep that on your watch list for a potential long is OCGN. So OCGN made a significant move from about 1 $1.80 to about $18 mark. And now the price is correcting itself. The gap that formed here was filled, and people bought it like viciously, like they bought it like heavily. And now the price is consolidating in this kind of bullish pennant. I'm very bullish on OCGN. There at a lot of institutions actually bought this company recently at around $10, and they had a premium offering at $7, I think 50 cents. So I think that's a great support for this stock to go up in the following days or following weeks. I personally bought the stock at $8.14 in this spot, and I put my stop loss below this swing low at $5.94, and I'm trying to cash out before $14. So I'm going to cash out at $13.73, which will give me a reward to risk ratio of 2.5. I love the pattern again, so look for buying opportunity for OCGN and definitely keep that in your watch list. So this is all for today, guys. Trade safe, manage your risk, never risk more than what you can afford to lose, and also mention your favorite stock in the comment section. I'll make sure to cover that in the next video. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next video.